Hello YouTube, thank you for visiting our site. Now we're going to show you the summon feature on our fairly new Tesla. Now if you go on your app to summon, I didn't know what this did. Here's what it does. It's got forward and reverse, and that's basically all it does, and I'll show you how to set it up in a minute. So I'm going to hit forward. Oh, and by the way, if you're thinking of getting one of these wonderful Teslas, our referral code is down in the bottom. If you click that referral code in the comments, it'll show you what to do. That helps us. Here we are. So we hit forward. There we go. Now see the Tesla? The lights are going on, starting to make noise. And you see our garage has stuff in it. So if you have a really tight garage and can't back in, I think that's what this is designed for. Or if you're trapped in a parking spot. But as long as I hold this down, the Tesla moves forward. And it's got sensors not to bump into anything. So you can move it out. Now we pull my thumb off, you can stop. Now you can set it to hit it, and I've got it set to where we just hold it. If you just hit it and let it keep going, it might go off into the woods, which we don't want. But you notice our garage has stuff in it. Now we'll hit reverse. Preparing to summon. It's thinking. Now, as I hold this, it comes back in. Now I notice every time it comes in a little cockeyed on an angle. It's avoiding the other car next to it, and it's looking at the different objects, and it stops for a minute to think. And then you can set the distances, but it works pretty well. It gets in there, and it's designed not to hit anything. But it always stops early. You see, we have stuff in it. Most garages have stuff. And I think I'm going to hit this again, because it's not coming as close as I'd like. I think it's summoning the compressor and stuff a little closer. There we go. Now it stops. It knows where to stop. Now, how you set that up in your car, let me show you. Let's go inside. Inside the Tesla. Here we are. So, if you want to summon, get your little car down here. Alright, and go to autopilot. Autopilot. Summon. See, summon. You can turn it off or you can turn it on. If you turn it on, it has a disclaimer. It says you've got to watch what you're doing, and some things like lacrosse sticks and bicycles it may miss, so you always want to watch it. We never have enough disclaimers in our life, but here, customize summon. Okay, bumper clearance. I have it set at 16 inches. You might want 24 inches. I think 16 inches is enough. Summon distance, how far away you want to be with your phone. I left it at 25. I'm not sure. Side clearance, standard, and tight. Notice, I guess it'll go into tighter places if it's... I'm going to leave it at standard. I don't want to get too close to either. If it gets to be a problem, I'll go to tight. And require continuous press. That's what I showed you before. I put it on yes. I don't want to put it on. I want to hit a button and it keeps moving. I'm worried it's going to run off the pavement at the end of my driveway. I don't know how much I'll be using this feature. It is a cool feature. If somebody parked too close to you and you can't open your door, you can just summon the car out. I think, from what I saw on the internet, that summon will, at some point, is designed to be like when you're standing in front of the mall, you hit summon and it backs out of space and comes around and gets you. But it's obviously many more software updates away. So anyway, I hope that clears things up for you. And once again, if you want to buy one of these bad boys and you're not referred from anybody, go ahead, hit our referral code. And once again, we appreciate you visiting our site.